Are you a student interested in technology, innovation, and engineering? Then you need to join the IEEE student branch at Canadian University, Dubai. My name is Danica, and I am the student branch chair at CUD. IEEE, the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, is the world's largest technical and professional organization with over 400,000 members in 160 countries. The IEEE student branch at Canadian University, Dubai offers events and activities for students to develop their technical skills. This includes workshops, guest lectures, hackathons, and competitions. As a member of the IEEE student branch, you'll have the chance to develop your skills beyond the classroom. You'll also have the opportunity to showcase your work, join competitions, and prepare for your future career in technology and engineering.